Ladies and gentlemen, now we bring for the third quarter MZD versus Toyo.
Idol. Pamatay ng second. Yan. Idol, swing nga siya. So much.
Okay, representative for the jumper. Taga, so good. Rebound the MCD. Here comes from the MCD ball. Pass to number 29. So Piñano on 3. Short. Okay, pink ball tayo from the Toyo. Frisco, may tanga ng bola para sa Toyo. Frisco, kailalim, what a pass by Frisco to number 16. Pataliduhan lang. 2 points by Gonzalez from the MZD ball, number 29 to Piñano. Pass ilalim by number 4. Pinay by number 23. Shot at 8. Piñano. Oh, the great pass, but so good. Rebound by Zahe. Here comes number 21 inside. Short. Rebound from the MZD. Here comes number 15. Pass to number 77, Piñano. No good again. Number 21 for the rebound. Bautista to number 23. Number 23, oh, for referee's whistle, but we have a foul. Number 8. 18. Okay, oh, good luck and denied by number 4. Nandito na si Piñano. Pinitbitano. First 2 point by MZD. Number 21, Bautista, from the setting of the play. Bautista, pass by number 23, Frisco on the 3-line, short. Rebound, right? Here comes the MCD, Peñanos. Oh, no good, malakas ang pitik. Nandito na si number 21, Bautista, pass by Saif, page pass off the glass, 2 points. Another, oh, outside the ball. Another, the pink ball error by the MZD. Last 7 minutes and 37 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Nandito na by number 21, Bautista. Pasok Otanes. Pumesto, ginam shot off the glass. Malakas, for the great rebound. No, good again. He's coming position. Now, from the violet, MZD, nandito na, paso number 77, ginamita ng tabla. Okay, yes, tabla nga 4. From the number 21, Bautista, pass to number 23 on 3, no good. Okay, the rebound, Zahe, na libre, the put back by number 0. It's 2 point by Zahe. Okay, outside ball. It's pink ball for the decision. Otanes for the inbound. Bautista on top of the key. Dribbling the ball. Bautista. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 24. Pumesto sa 3. Bautista! 3! The first 3 point by Toyo. MZD balls. Babawiin ni Piñano! Tinalik agad. From the number 21 to number 21, Bautista to Zahe. Still by the MCD. Pick up by Piñano. Piñano spinning. Johnson pass by number 4. Oh, what a great move by number 77 to number 4. Here comes Oscanes. We're setting up the play. Pass to Bautista. Oh, it's a referee's whistle. But we have a foul by number 18. Number 18 committed is a second personal foul. Okay, first attempt by Bautista. Yes, sir. Second attempt. Oh, it's a 2-for-2. Here comes number 29. Oh, is number still by number 24. Otanes. Otanes. Otanes inside. Yes. Here comes from the MZD, number 15, halas by 16. Pinito sa 3, but short. Nandun sa ilalim. Si number 18. Okay, change 5 tayo. Play lang pala by number 15 yun to number 18. Ticket ang score, 13-11 in favor of Toyo. From the Toyo, ball. Number 13, may tangan ng bola. Number 20, Olivario. Oh, pinasa. Okay, outside the ball tayo. Oliver, pass to number 6. Inside. Oh, rejected by the pilot. Another 24 seconds violation. The time left lasts 4 minutes and 42 seconds. You come from the MZD, number 24. Pomoste, Tumira, no good. Pick up by the Toyo, number 6. Here comes number 6. Oh, scrambling position. Nandito na si number 22. Nandito na. Inside, great pass by number 28, but no good. Same ball tayo. 13-11. Down the lead of 2 points of MZD. Great rebound by number 26.
Time out, time out.
Okay, dead ball time out now. Tamang MZD. Kapilo. Score 15-11. Okay, palitan si si number 26. Okay, from the MCD ball, nandito na, number 17, may tama ng bola. Number 17, pass to number 6. Ginugulo siya. Here comes number 17, inside, pass to number 14. No good. Kalamit rebound by number 6. Oliver, pick up by number 20. Number 20, takes to, pass by number 27. Okay, sa 10 seconds hit, but outside the ball. Still by number 20. Oh, he's stepping on the line. Balik sa violet ang bola. Last 3 minutes and 22 seconds. MCD number 24. Pass to Grill Tail Traveling violation. Here comes from the Toyo. Rista. Rista pass to number 20. Number 20 inside pass to number 13. Jump shot. No good. From the scramble in position. Nandito si number 4. Nagpapadali. Number 4 inside. Kinamitan ang tabla. Perfect yan. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Back to Toyo ball. Number 20. Rista. Setting at the play. Behind the back. Rista. Nilipat sa kanan. Pass by number 13 again. Number 13. Jump shot. No good again. It's the same play. Number 24 from the MCD. Nandito na si number 4. Number of the class of 06. Number 4, pinagtulungan siya. Same ball tayo. From the MCD, number 17, inside space, first spinning shot, but no good. It's another rebound from the MCD. Nandito na sa labas by number 24, jump shot. No, it's no good. But referee's whistle, we have a foul by number 13 of Toyo. Number 24, first attempt. No good. Second attempt, number 24. No good again. Great rebound by number 4. Oh, lumabas na ang bola. Is Toyo bola. Step back by number 20. No good. Here comes. Oh, the referee's whistle, but we have a foul by number 27. Awitan. Here comes the MCD. Pass by number 4. Spinning shot. Faking. Good. From the number 24. Nakuha niya. Put back by number 6. Tugutan dito si number 4. Is another basket. Foul by number 13. It's Edward play by number 4. Total of 3 points by number 4. At Vincula, top of the key, pass to number 20. Oh, what a great pass by number 20. But no basket. We have a foul by number 6. Okay, first foul, number 6. Number 11 have a 2 free throw bonus shot. First attempt. Nacho. Montega. Second attempt. Oh, it's connect. It scores 17-16 from the MCD Bowl. Lead by 1 point of Toyo. Nandito na ang mga taga-MCD. Number 24, jump shot. No good. Nangingibabaw. Number 27. Who's for rep? Number 4 of MCD. Okay, nasa Toyo po ang bola. Here comes number 13. Pista. Pista pass to number 20. Oh, with a still stumbling position, but with pushing foul by number 24. First foul by number 24. Penalty, red penalty. First attempt by number 20 is no good. Second attempt. No good again. Yes, is yes by number 20. Nandito na si number 24. Pinasa sa number 4. Number 4. Okay. On the 3 lines by MCD. No good. Here number 20. Nagmamadali. Jump shot. Oh! Good pick by number 20. Here comes number 17. Reverse whistle, but a traveling violation. Number 27. Pass to number 20. Oh, lumabas ang bola. Sayang. It's 10 seconds to shoot. From the soil. It referee's whistle, but another foul by number 13. Number 13 committed is a third personal foul. Missed from the MCD. Here comes number 24. Harassed by number 13 to number 6. End of the first quarter. Seven. Put back by number 4. Palomo shot, but no good. Number 3. Here comes number 3. Number 3 inside. Pass by number 8. Oh, it's outside. It's a MZD ball. Hindi nasalo. Okay, number 29 from the MCD. Pass to number 4. Number 29, pick. Good block and denied by number 10. Nadapa siya. Number 15, pinalobo. No, good again. But put back another by number 4. Laking bagay nun. Iba na matangkad. Otanes, setting at the plate. Pass to number 8. Number 8, inside, pinalobo. Hinagis. Oh! Dinamitan ng tabla. Pasok yan. Peñano. Step back on 3. Oh, it follow up by number. Stumbling position. Nandito si number 3. Sayang, lumabas yung bola. Number 15, on top of the key. Pass to number 29. Number 29 to number 4 again. Oh, is the point maker pala to of the MCD. Here comes Otanes. Otanes, pass to number 8. Bomba by Toyo, but denying by number 4. Nandito na si number 77. Ginamitan ng hook shot. Yes! Okay. Score is dead. Number 24. Inside of the glass. No good. Pick up by number 24. Oh, Violet ball. Number 77. Wow, what a move at dribble. Kaliwat kanan. Peñano. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 4. Pinalik kay Peñano. Peñano na step back. What pass by number 4. Ang Alvin Patrimonio ng MCD. Here comes Otanes for a setting at the play. Otanes inside. Ginamitan ng ilalim, but another no good. Nagmapadalin daw si Peñano. Takbuhan ng Violet. Peñano, Pilipitano! May kasama bang foul by number 10. First foul by number 10. Peñano. It's a bonus shot. Okay. From the pink ball, Toyo. Here comes number 24. Oh, steal by MTD. Nandito na. Number 18. Oh, what a pass! What a pass! Ball by number 10. Of Toyo. It's a second personal foul. Second attempt by number 15. Okay, connect. Here comes Otanes. Otanes is spinning. Off the glasses. No good. Rebound by Peñano. Peñano. Ginukulo. Number 13. 3. Oh. Okay, outside. Balik sa pink ang bola. Number 3. Number 3. Pinihit. Umikot. But passed by number 10. Short. Picked up by number 24. Oh, it's another outside or error by Pink. 6 minutes and 19 seconds. From the MZD. Number 29 setting at the play. Pass to number 15. Number 15, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 4. Good luck again. Is stumbling position, but Otanes. Pick up to number 8, back to Otanes. Otanes pumeso sa 3. No good. Okay, pick up ulit ng pick, number 10. Number 10, here comes. Okay, lumabas ang bola. Sayang by number 7-7. Number 8 is to pass by number 10. Ulitin. Short ulit. Pass break to number 7-7 to number 18. Malakas nakuha niya ulit. Okay, nakuha. 2 points by number 18. Time left last 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Anyora to Otanes. Otanes. Up, referee's whistle. Foul by number 7-7. Peñano. Okay, Kings 5 tayo. From the Toyo Balls. Jump shot. Oh, sino yun? By number 23. Kinula tayo na. By number 23. Nagpa-boost ng 2 points. Okay. From the MZD ball, number 24. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 77. Piñano to number 17. Spinning shot. It's by check dahil by Sahe. Number 23. Oh, inilalim pa. But no good. Nandito na. Kumikot. Number 16. It's we have a foul by number 17. Last 4 minutes and 34 seconds. From the inbounding pitch, number 16, denied by number 17. Here comes number 17. Oh! What a move by number 17! Nakita niyo yun? Nilapag. Okay, papawi yan by number 20. Toyo, Olivario. Olivario, step back. No, pass by number 23. Short. From the MCD ball. Peñano. Setting at the play. Pass to number 24 to Peñano. No good. Okay, pick up by number 16. Pass to number 6. Pass by number 23. Inside. No good again. Pick up by number 0. Oh! Great move is here. The Pelga of Toyo. Here comes number 77, Peñano. Pass to number 6. Libre si number 17. And very simple shot by number 17. This is a muscle man. Here comes Advincula to number 20. Olivario, top of the key. Olivario, pass to number 23. Pumesos na tres. No good again. Nandito na si Peñano. Jump shot. No good. Pick up the MCD. Pick up by Peñano. Pinalo ulit. No good again. It's from the Toyo ball. Here comes Olivario. Step back. Kinamita ang tabla. No good. Rebound by Sahe. Kanya ulit. Oh, I have another whistle. Who's power up? Number 6. At 2 free shot. Sahe. Pelga of Toyo. First attempt. Boom! Wingless.
Time out dito ha.
Second attempt by Zahen. Time out! MZD. Score is 28-33. Lead by 5 points ahead of MZD. Dikit pa to. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining for the fourth quarter. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay, number 17, champion to is a great 3 moves. Score. Olivario, pass to number 23, Buburahin. No good again. Nandito na si Peñano, number 77. Nagmamadali. Peñano inside, pass by number 17 to number 6. Tumitok ang 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Okay, nasa Toyo ang bola. Olivario setting at the play. Pass to number 23. Number 23 inside to pass to Sai. With another whistle. Okay, foul by number 6. Number 6 committed is a third personal foul. Olivario. Olivario pass to number 23. Pisco jump shot to good. It's another whistle. But another foul. Foul by number 17.
Tama ba?
Okay, number 17. Third foul. Penalty, ref. Penalty. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Sahe. First attempt, no good. Second attempt by Sahe. Oh, MCD ball. Nandito na si Peñano. Number 77. So number 6, jump shot. No good again. It's rebound by Sahe. Pick up by number 23. Off the glass. Yes. Peñano. May tanga ng bola, bumitaw ng 3. This is another shoot. Oh, it's Toyo ball. Here comes Olivario. Olivario. May tanga ng bola para sa Toyo. Nandito ulit si Prisco. Susubukan 3. Binubuhay ang kamay by number 23, Prisco. 3. Ibinaba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng MCD rito. Here comes number 17. Inside pass to number 16. Alam mo, binawi agad ng MCD. Olivario. May dala ng bola, pakostahe, binigay sa number 6. 10 seconds to shoot, it's spinning number 6. Another whistle. Or by number 17. Okay, number 17 committed is a fourth personal foul warning. This one. Gonzalez, first attempt. No good. Second attempt by Gonzalez. Yes, number 16. 1 point ahead. Nandito na si Peñano. May dala ng bola. Peñano inside. Chinam shot off the glass. Wow! Nakingibabaw by number 20. Olivario. Hinagin! Is no basket. No basket. Okay, score is 37-34. It's lead by okay, back to the ball game tayo. Number 30 to number 21. Harassed by number 29. Number 21. Oh! Isang penamano para Toyo by Bautista. Number 29 was setting at the play. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Jump shot. No good. Okay. Nandito kay Bautista ang bola. Oh, hindi na sa loob. Pick up again by number 13. Pass to number 27. Still by number 18. Sidestep. Naku, masyad. Lumiko yung bola. Here comes number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 27. Oh, walang pinasahang. MCD ball. Here comes number 20, number 77, Piñano. Dribbling the ball. Piñano. Pass to number 15. Uulitin ang jump shot. No good again. Okay. Nasa pink ang bola. Lead by 1 point, MCD. Toyo. Number 21, pass to number 3, spinning. No, hindi mo tinira. Sayang. Number 29 for the dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. To number 4, to Peñano. Oh, stepping on the line. Last 8 minutes and 14 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Nandito na si Bautista. May tanga ng bola. Paso number 27. And another outside the ball. Pink ball tayo. Oh, steal by Kuya, number 29. Oh, another steal by Toyo. Nandito si number 3. Number 3, pick. Guilty of the traveling violation. Sayang, hindi mo na inangat. Shoot na sana. Okay, from the MCD ball, number 29, setting up the play. Pass to number 4. Pick. 5. No, it's number 77. Number 77, jump shot. No, good again. Nandito na naman si number 3. Nagmamadali. Number 3, nalibre. Sinigurado na but no good again. Number 29, Bautista. Turbista. Sambuling position. Okay, tumamat sa number 3. MCD ball tayo. 37-36. Number 15. Another jump shot. No good again. Nagmamadali. Number 30. Pass by Salonia. Spinning shot. No good. Pass by number 13. Off the glass by number 21. Back to Bautista. Yes. Time out. MCD by the lead. 1 point. Very no good. Reminders po sa ating mga Ender of its fans ang ating game Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, number 29. Number 29, setting up to play, dribbling the ball, pass to number 77. Another step in on the line by Peñano. Peñano, pakitakin yung ating uniform. Yan, salamat. Baka yan ang buenas. Nandito na si number 30. Pass to number 30. Number 3, Pinalobo. But no good again. Nagmamadali. Here comes number 7, Peñano. Side step. Off the goal! May kasama pang foul by number 77. Who's for rep? Number 7. Number 27. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo, yan ang buenas yung top in eh. It's another change favor. Peñano is total of 3 points. Bautista. Bautista to number 13 on 3. No good. Masyadong malakas. Here comes number 4. Pumesto sa 3. Eto na. Binus na. Wala. Okay, pink ball tayo. Last 5 minutes and 26 seconds on the third quarter. Number 30, side step. So good. Kanya pa rin. Pass by number 23. Oh, number 13. Correction. Easy 2 point by number 13. Number 4. May tanga ng bola para sa MZD. Kenyano on 3. No good. Here comes. Number 30. Side step. Malakas. Nakuha ni number 3 off the glass. No good again. Pick up by number 13. Oh! Ginamitan pa ng tabla. Last 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Number 29. Catch pasa by number 4. Easy 2 point by number 4. Bautista. Dribbling the ball. Bautista. Harass by number 29. Oh, nawala yung bola. Okay, substitution. Palit. Papasok ang 4. Okay, ibinalik yung aking okay, from the MCD ball, Peñano for the inbound. Binalik sa kanya. Peñano to number 21, number 24, 3. 45-42. Olivario. Pass to Fisco. Ayaw pumayag, di number 23. Eto, titingnan natin si number 77. Kenyano, jump shot. Good. Big rebound by Sahe. Olivario setting at the play. Harass by, oh! Nilipat sa kakanan. But, oh, sayang ang pasa. Nandito na MCD, nagtatakbuhan. MCD, number 24, pass to number 4. He's the point maker man of MCD by number 4. Nandito ulit si Olivario. Honas by number 18. Susubukan ng Pisco ulit. Oh, wala na. Mamaya ulit. Still by number 20. Olivario. Fake pass. Number 24. Foul. Second foul by number 24 of MCD. Olivario jump shot. Yes. Last 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Peñano, pass to number 24, jump shot, no good. Big rebound by Prisco. But referee's whistle, foul by number 15. Last 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Here comes number 23 to Olivario. Olivario. Harassed by number 18. Olivario inside. Whoa, what a pass by number 6. But not yet. Denied by number 4. Nandito na si number 15. Pass by the MCD. Oh. It's a jump ball. Substitution. Out si number 18. From the MCD ball. Number 6, jump shot. No, pass by number 44. Fake. What's the correct? Number 15, pushing foul. Okay, last 2 minutes and 1 second for the third quarter. Inbounding by number 23, Prisco. Pass to sino by number 24, but referee's whistle. Another foul by number 15. Number 15 committed is a third personal foul.
Kasa ba?
Oscares for the first attempt. Yes. Wow, it's a great fight for tonight. Toyo versus MCD. Oscares back to back. Total of 2 points. It's 49-47. It's King's favor. Nandito na si Peñano. Number 77 man of MCD. Pick up, bumalik sa kanya. Nandito sa number 4, jump shot. No good. Alawit rebound by Prisco. Here comes Prisco. Pinasa sa number 6. Here comes number 4. Another steal by, nakuha ni number 4. It's easy 2 point. It's another deadlock. Olivario. Tumama sa doon. Guilty of a traveling violation. Last 1 minute and 14 seconds. Here comes number 24. Number 77. Jump shot. Piñano, wala. It's rebound by number 16. Gonzalez. Pass to number 24. So Prisco. Pass to Olivario. Inatasan. But no good. Big ball. Belka. It's another 2 point by Sahi. Pass break. Piñano. Jump shot. Yes. Another deadlock score of 51. Olivario setting at the play. Olivario pass on Sae. Sae spinning. Moving. Space. Lumabas ang bola. But nothing control. Okay, balik sa MCD. Nandito na si number 77 from the MCD. Pick up by number 4. Back to number 77. 5 seconds to shoot. Binigay sa number 6. Tiniro ng 3. No good. Here comes number 24. End of the third quarter. Okay, so, naputokan ng 24 segundo. Last 9 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Nandito na si number 29. Outside the ball. Same ball tayo. From the MCD to number 3 to number 77. No good again. Still come from the Toyo. Number 34, setting at the play, harassed by number 77. Number 34, no good. Nagpapadali. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, hit another whistle. Or by number 3.
Number 3, Toyo, ilan na? First pa lang.
Each first personal foul by number 3. Okay, no good. Unang tira. Second attempt. No good again, but rebound by number 4. Pushing foul by number 3.
Boss.
Second personal foul. Rebound by the Toyo. Olivario. Olivario dribbling the ball. Rejected by number 20.
Yes.
Number 29. Oh, black. Nandito na si number 3. Pass to number 30. To number 20 again. Rebound by number 3. Step back. Oh! Put back and step back by number 3. Here comes Tempiano. Jump shot again. No good again. Okay. Foul. Substitution. Foul by number 11. Number 11, ha? Foul. Unang tira. Wala. Second attempt. No good again. It's rebound by Olivario. Olivario. Halas by number 77. Olivario. Pass to number 27. Oh, deny it. Number 77, pick up. Nandito si Pampiano nagpapadala. Good defense by Toyo. Number 3. Oh, it's 2 points by MZD. Another deadlock. All 53. Number 30 to number 20, Olivario. Harassed by, number 20 again of the class, no good. Big rebound by number 3. Put back by number 3. Ibinalik sa ring ang bola. Here comes number 4 from the MZD. Pass to Pampiano. Binalik sa kanya, Pampiano on 3. No good again. Andito ulit si number 3. Number 3. Number 3 inside. Tinapatan! Binangga sa ring ang bola. Another 2 points by Toyo. Number 4. Oh, may kasama pang foul by number 30. Substitution. Number 4 for the bonus shot. Total of 3 points. Lead by 2 points. Ahead by Toyo. Nandito na si Olivario. May dala ng bola. Hinaharangan ng number 77. Olivario gumamit ng behind the back dribbling. Olivario pinalik kay Prisco. Okay. Prisco inside. Prisco hinagis ang bola. Oh! Merry Christmas! Swerte! Okay, 59-56 in favor of Toyo. Number 4. Pumupresto sa 3. Pinalik sa number 7. Ako na lang! 7-7. 3. The score is Olivario. May tanga ng bola. Olivario. Jump shot. What a move by Olivario. Isang 1,000 dribbling. Nandito na taga MCD. Nagbababa na. Last 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 77. Oh, short. It's rebound by Toyo. Pisco inside. Ginamitan ng tabla. But no good. Here comes number 15. Oh, still by number 16. Gonzalez inside. Wala. Pass fake again. Here comes number 4. Libre. Oh, easy 2-point by number 4.
Sub, pressure sub. Sub dito ha.
Nandito na si Olivario. Jump shot. No good again. Binalik. Nasa MCD ang bola. Nandito si number 24. Stepping on the line. Substitute rep. Last 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Olivario, pass to Prisco. Gumamit ang katawan, but good pass by number 16 man. One play by Toyo. Kinagamitan ng strategy by the pink team. Here comes number 24, warning for flopping. Number 77, jump shot no good. Nandito na si number 20, Olivario. Another 2 points by Toyo. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 24, pass to number 77. No good again. Olivario, take the easy dribbling. Olivario harassed by number 77. Olivario, pass to Prisco. Takes pass, Prisco. What a pass by Gonzalez. Pumesto. Goal! What a great play by Toyo. Lead by 6 points. Titingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng MCD rito. Isahe. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Last 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Here come from the MCD ball. Nandito na. Okay, pass to number 14. Jump shot, no good. Pick up by number 4, but outside. Okay, balik sa Violet ang bola. Is 14 seconds to shoot. Number 4. Pick up by number 4. Umatras. Number 24, jump shot. Ginamitan pa ng tabla by number 24. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Oh, it's a turnover. Papabor sa MCD ang bola. Last 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Nandito si number 34. Pick up by number 4 to number 24 to number 17. 3. Big 3-point by number 17. Tinira lang walang kakapa-kapa. Last 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Score. Deadlock. Okay, walang pukurap. Last 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Here comes from the toyo. Nandito na si number 24. Number 24 inside. Pick up by Gonzalez. Pass to sa loob, but still, here comes from the number 3 of MCD. Pick up by number 4. Nandito na si number 4. Number 4. Umatras, pinatas sa number 24. No good. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Side set. Still. Pick up by number 3. Nandito na. Okay, outside. Sa Violet ang bola. Last 2 minutes and 11 seconds. From the MCD. Number 14. Setting on the play. Pinalik sa number 14. Oh, good again. Pick up by 0. Nandito na ang toyo. Nagbababa ka na. Hawak ni Olegario ang bola. Aras by number 14. Olegario pass to number 22. Tinas sa los. Substitution red. Pakitakin number 77. Okay, last 1 minute and 41 seconds. Hindi sayang ang ticket natin ngayong gabi. Jump shot by number 17. Put back by number. Who's for it? Number 24. Number 24. We have a bonus shot. It's a big shot by number 3. Okay, mahaba pa ang oras. Gonzalez, Pasto Gonzalez, pinalik kay Olegario. Olegario inside. Oh, good pick up by Camboling position. Oh, sandali. Dok, isa lang, Dok. Isa lang to. Tayo. Okay, isa lang to. Isa lang tayo. Mawawalan tayo ng yan. 3.
Check yung controller ko. Okay.
This the decision game. Okay, Frisco to Olivario. Olivario harassed by number 14. Olivario no top of the key. Kay Sahe pinasa sa kampi niya but no good. Sahe for the rebound. Here comes number 24. Pass to Peñano. Peñano harassed by Olivario. Peñano to number 4. To number 15. Pinalobo. No good. Binalik kay Peñano. Short again. Picked up by number 4. What a great by number 4. Here comes from Datoyo. Number 24. Inside. No good again. Scrambling position. Nandito na po ang mga Violet nagtatakbuhan. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 7. Step up. Referee whistle, but we have a foul. Number correct. Number 24. Number 24 ang po. Okay. 0-0 ang foul. Okay, 0. Sahe. First attempt by Peñano. Okay. Connect.
Pausin, kabila. Umat,
Second attempt by Peñano. Or hindi pa tiningnan yung huli na ha. Last 22 seconds. Okay, ang basketball na ito ay para sa inyo. Pagyamanin natin ito. Dahil ito po ay para talaga sa inyo. Huwag po tayo mag-away-away. Bola lang po ang pinaglalabanan natin dito. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 22 seconds. Hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Bola!
Risiko for the inbounding. Harass by number 77, Peñano. Okay, number 15. Foul. Number 15. Fourth foul. Warning. Last 20 seconds. Risco for the inbound. Binagay kay Olegario. Olegario! Umupo sa ilan! Yes, man-to-man play. Nalipin si number 77. It's the N1 play by number 77. Basket. Oh, it's number 23. What the decision? What the correct?
Ayos po.
Okay, number 23 is arms for like foul. Peñano.
Hey!
Last 13 seconds. From the Elm City. Yun po ay parking violation. Kung diyan ka lang lumabas sa gitna, pwede yan. Mahaba pa ang oras natin. 6 points lead by MCD. Olegario, hindi pa tapos ang laban. No good. Oh, congratulations, MCD. Congratulations to you for the very great game this night.
Okay. Paano idol? Nilabas kasi ako.